Hi, welcome to new video review from fliplifestyle.com, and today we have Ralison Appliances Deluxe Pressure Cooker with 5.5 liters of capacity. So this is the cooker with a huge volume of 5.5 liters. There are a lot of features like it is having anti-bulging, safety valve, double screw handle, non-fusing additional safety valve, and spring-loaded safety devices. It comes with 5 years of warranty and it is having an MRP of rupees 1820, though you will get decent discount if you check out the link in the description below. So we have unboxed it. So there are a lot of stuff inside this package we will show you. So this is the gasket. As you can see, this is the lid of the cooker and you can see the safety valve as well. So this is a very strong cooker. So this is the whistle. We will show you how you can use it as well. So it is having an induction base. So this pressure cooker comes with an induction base, and this is an aluminum pressure cooker and you can use it on gas, on induction. This is the auxiliary handle. So this is the instruction manual and warranty card. So kindly read it before using this pressure cooker. So it is having non-fusing additional valve, 4 mm bottom thickness and double screw handle. So let's unwrap it. So you can see a very good body handle. So this is a very strong build quality pressure cooker. Easy to open and close. So we are now fitting the auxiliary handle. So there is also a screw given so you can fix the auxiliary handle, and it's very easy to lift the cooker from the gas stove. So cookers is having a stainless steel clad bottom as well, and handler of nice quality. Cooker handles are user friendly too. So the main factor is the safety plug. The safety valve is placed on the pressure cooker lid to prevent it from bursting by allowing the trapped steam inside that pot to be somewhat released to avoid an explosion. So if any problem in the whistle, the safety valve will be used. So we are now cooking rice. We are also cooking dal. So we are preparing rice and dal, and this is the food grade rubber gasket. Now it is easy to close. You have to put some pressure from top and it's very easy to close. So now we will prepare rice and dal. So as you can see, the whistle is blown and you can see the pressure coming out of the cooker very nicely and neatly. So this cooker is very much safe to use, and as it is having huge volume, so you can make biryani, pulao and a lot of stuff. You can prepare a lot of delicacies in this cooker. So the dal and rice is prepared after 3 whistles, and you can see it's properly cooked and ready to be served. So you can make and prepare a lot of delicacies as mentioned earlier, and it's very easy and safe to use. So if you're having a huge family of a lot of people, then you can prepare a good amount of biryani or pulao or rice within few minutes. So that is the main advantage of a huge cooker of 5.5 liters. So we did love this cooker. We have used it since past few days and we are certainly enjoying it to prepare our meals. So if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Kindly visit our website, which is fliplifestyle.com. Do like this video and also comment on it as well. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on to get the recent updates. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.